Here you can see I'm having the Claude Fable 5, and along with this I have 4 other models as well. We have the Claude Opus 5, we have the Claude Opus 4.8. Amazing part is that you will get the $200 credit. And let me show you how to connect this $200 credits to your Claude Desktop via the gateway. So the gateway will be provided by the third-party inference. So let us see how to connect these credits. So the website that we're going to use in this video is the Seek AI. I will provide the link in the description. You can check that out. You can see that this is the website. So you need to create an account on this website. For that, just click on sign in. Here, if you don't have your account, you can continue with GitHub and create a new account. Let me click on this. I have read and agree to the user agreement and click on continue with GitHub. So let me select my GitHub account over here. Once you have login, you can see this is the overview page. And if you go to the dashboard here, you will see all the statistics over here. And if you go to the value section, you can see that we have the $200 credits. As of now, the CKI provides the $200 credits, but it may change in the future. So make sure you check the wallet. If you use the referral link only, you will get this credit. So once you have this credit now, then you can create the API key. And before that, if you want to see what are the models are available, you can go to the model square. And you can see we have the Claude Fable 5, we have the Claude Opus 4.8. And you can see the input cost as well as the output cost. And along with this, we have the DeepSeek V4 Flash as well. So many other models as well. And let's see how to connect this to the Claude Desktop. So let me go to the console and let's first create a API key. Now let me go to API key section and click on create API key. Let's give you a name for our API key. In this case, I'm going to say subscribe. And the group that we're going to select is the default one. And you can also set a expiration time, but I will leave it as never expire. And finally, if you want to leave it as unlimited quota, then click on save now. You can see we have the API key over here. Then open up your Claude Desktop now. So this is the Claude I have already installed there. If you don't have your one, just install from the internet. So once you have opened, you can see this is the Claude Desktop. Here what we need to do is we need to enable the developer mode. I have already done that. You can see we have this. If you want to done that, just select help and troubleshooting. Here you should have the option enable developer mode. You can see if you refer online, it says you will get the detailed instruction on the Google as well. So make sure you follow the Google instruction to enable the developer mode on Claude Desktop. Once you have the developer mode, you can click on this search icon. You can see we have the developer. Then inside the developer, we have configure third-party inference. Click on that. I have already configured your one. So what I will do is I will select new configuration. Here you can see. Let's give a name now, and I'm going to say Seek AI. So for the credential coin, I'm going to say static API key, and we need to provide the base URL, right? So to get the base URL, we can go to the Seek AI and let's go to the overview now. And here you can see this is the base URL. So let's first copy this URL now. So this is the URL. Let me copy this and paste it here. So then we need to provide the API key. To get the API key, again go to the API key section and copy the key and paste the key over here. And finally, you can have your option called the test model discovery. So I think we don't need to provide the /v1 over here. So let me remove the /v1 and then click on test model discovery. Here you can see Claude Opus 5, Claude Opus 4.8, Claude Fable 5, Claude Sonnet 5. So once you have seen this model discovery, then you can click on apply changes and click on save and restart. It will reopen the Claude Desktop for you. Here you can see again it is opening the Claude Desktop. Now if you expand the model, you can see now we have the Claude Fable 5. So yeah, this is how you connect your CKI provider to your Claude Desktop, and you can use your provider credits, that is $200. If you want to see the inference settings, you can see this the settings that we have connected. So if you want to change this, you can change this anytime. And if you want to see what are the requests that you have gave, you can go to the overview section. You can see it will show you all the statistics. You can see you will also see the balance over here in the wallet section. So this is for this video, and I will continue in the next one.